Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the solutions of this one. We put equation number 1 and equation number 2. So equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So that means we have x squared minus y squared equals to number 5 minus number 5, they cancel. So we have y minus x. We know that this one that is about identities. So we have x minus y multiplied by x plus number x plus y. And I will put this one go to the left. Now the negative will change the sign of this one. Now we can do about factorization. So this one we have x minus y equals to number 0 and x plus y plus 1 equals to number 0. So this one I will have x equals to y. And this one I will have about y equals to negative number 1 negative x. So I will go to the first one. So I select one equation. And now I need to change y into x. So I will put this one cone here. So we need to find the solutions of this one. So x equals to 1 plus the square root of 21 over number 2. And s equals to number 1 minus the square root of 21 over number 2. So after you got this one, we can find about sy. So because y equals to s, so we can change y into s. So I will put this one gone here. So we have two solutions. That is about 11 plus the square root of 21 over number 2. And the second one, that is about 11 minus the square root of 21 over number 2. Now let's go to the next one. We can change y into this one. So I will put this one go to the left. 5 minus 1, we have number 4. So we calculate this one. We have s equals to negative number 1 plus the square root of 17 over number 2. And the second one, after you got about s, we can find the value of y. So we have y equals to negative number 1 negative s. So we put this one go in here to got the value of y. And we have like this. And the second one. This negative go in here. After you got s and y, we can got the final answer. And we have negative number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.